Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 29, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column E, 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. 5th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 8th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 5. Column H, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 4. Second row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. First grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C, 1 and 2. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 9. 7th row, we have 3, 5, 9. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 8. 6th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 5th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.